Pigeons have played a significant role in human history for centuries, from being revered as messengers in ancient civilizations to becoming a valuable source of meat and a thrilling participant in high-stakes racing. Pigeons are far more than just common birds. Today, commercial pigeon farming is a rapidly growing industry valued at billions of dollars worldwide. With over 500 species of wild pigeons and more than 175 domesticated breeds, these birds thrive in diverse environments, from tropical rainforests to urban landscapes. Farmers have long recognized their intelligence, adaptability, and reproductive efficiency, making pigeon farming an increasingly profitable venture. Pigeon farming is one of the most cost-beneficial livestock businesses, requiring minimal investment while delivering high returns. The growing demand for pigeon meat, especially in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, has fueled this industry's rapid expansion. Asia-Pacific's pigeon meat market reached $95 billion in 2023, demonstrating its economic potential. Many farmers are turning to pigeon farming as a sustainable agricultural practice that supports local economies and provides a consistent food supply. Producing top-quality pigeon meat starts with selecting the right breeding pairs. Farmers look for pigeons with strong reproductive health, bright, alert eyes, and soft, glossy feathers, ensuring they're free from any physical defects or signs of illness. Healthy breeders lay more eggs, hatch stronger offspring, and contribute to a thriving flock. When it comes to meat production, French pigeons stand out from the rest. Known for their rapid growth, consistent reproductive cycles, and ability to adapt to different climates, they are a favorite among commercial farmers. To maintain better flock management and biosecurity, large-scale farms typically opt for centralized housing systems rather than free-range setups. This controlled environment helps maximize productivity while keeping the pigeons healthy and safe from disease. While some farmers prefer to raise their pigeons in open spaces, commercial pigeon farms often rely on carefully designed lofts and cages for better efficiency and control. This structured setup makes it easier to manage the flock, monitor breeding pairs, and maintain a clean, healthy environment. An ideal pigeon loft is all about space and airflow. Farmers ensure there's 3 to 4 feet of space between rows of cages to keep the air fresh and reduce the risk of disease. Breeding pairs are typically housed in separate enclosures to improve their chances of successfully producing healthy offspring. To make the most of available space, many farms use stacked cages with 2 to 4 inches of spacing between each tier. This design optimizes ventilation while allowing farmers to expand their flocks without overcrowding. Each cage is equipped with the essentials: feeding troughs for easy access to food, automatic water dispensers to keep the birds hydrated, and nesting boxes where pigeons can safely lay their eggs. With the right combination of ventilation, cleanliness, and smart design, farmers create an environment where pigeons can thrive, ensuring a healthy, productive flock and a successful farming operation. By the time they reach 8 weeks old, pigeons are at their ideal market weight, making them ready for harvest. But what sets pigeon meat apart from other poultry? Pigeon meat isn't just another protein source. It's a premium ingredient loved by chefs and food enthusiasts around the world. Compared to chicken, it's leaner, richer in protein, and packed with essential minerals, making it a healthier choice for those looking for high-quality meat. Beyond its nutritional value, pigeon meat holds a special place in fine dining. It's a staple in gourmet restaurants, featured in everything from elegant French dishes to traditional Asian delicacies. In places like China, France, and the Middle East, it's considered a luxury ingredient, often served at high-end banquets and special celebrations. With its tender texture and rich flavor, pigeon meat continues to be a favorite among those who appreciate high-quality cuisine. With its rich flavor and nutritional benefits, it's no wonder pigeon meat continues to be a highly prized ingredient worldwide. Raising strong, healthy pigeons starts with the right nutrition. Farmers carefully balance their diet, ensuring each bird gets exactly what it needs to grow quickly and efficiently. Their meals are a mix of energy-rich grains like corn and green beans, protein supplements for muscle development, and essential vitamins and minerals to keep them in top condition. To make feeding more efficient, farms use automated carts that distribute food evenly across the lofts, minimizing waste and ensuring every pigeon gets its fair share. The moment the feed hits the troughs, the birds flock together, pecking eagerly, creating a lively, energetic scene that reflects their healthy appetite and steady growth. Cleanliness is key to keeping pigeons healthy and productive, and farmers follow strict routines to maintain a safe, disease-free environment. Daily cleaning in summer helps prevent bacterial growth and keeps the lofts fresh. Less frequent cleaning in winter, but maintaining a dry, well-ventilated space remains a priority. Strict disease prevention measures ensure the flock stays healthy and productivity remains high. Young pigeons are especially susceptible to infections, so their cages and surroundings need regular sanitization to minimize risks. By prioritizing hygiene, farmers create an environment where pigeons can thrive, grow, and stay disease-free year-round. That pigeon eggs are 10 times more expensive than chicken eggs? Their high value comes from their scarcity and importance in sustaining flocks, rather than widespread consumption. Why are pigeon eggs so rare? Pigeons lay just 1-2 eggs per clutch, far fewer than chickens. Most eggs are kept for breeding to maintain a steady supply of birds. Farms typically go through 8-10 breeding cycles per year to meet market demand. Once laid, pigeon eggs incubate for 17 or 18 days before hatching. The newly hatched squabs are immediately moved to nurseries, where their parents feed them crop milk, a nutrient-rich secretion essential for their early development. By 4 or 5 weeks old, young pigeons reach maturity and are either added to the breeding flock or selected for market sale. China dominates the global pigeon farming industry, raising around 9 million pigeons commercially. Major farms in Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Hainan operate on a strict schedule, selling thousands of pigeons every 4 days to keep up with demand. If you think horse racing is intense, just wait until you hear about pigeon racing. What started centuries ago when pigeons were used as messenger birds has now evolved into a global, high-stakes sport. Some of the world's fastest pigeons compete in races that span hundreds of miles, with top racers selling for jaw-dropping prices. How does it work? Pigeons are taken miles away from their home lofts. They rely on their incredible homing instincts to find their way back. The first one to return wins the race. Believe it or not, the most expensive racing pigeon ever sold, a bird named New Kim, went for a staggering $1,900,000. You might be wondering, what makes a champion pigeon? Elite genetics, only pigeons with the best speed, endurance, and intelligence are bred for racing. Owners follow strict diets and training regimens to maximize performance. GPS systems help trainers analyze flight patterns and optimize racing strategies. For some, pigeon racing is just a sport. For others, it's an obsession, a passion that can turn the right bird into a million-dollar champion. Would you ever bet on a racing pigeon? Let us know in the comments. From farming and gourmet dining to high-stakes racing, pigeons are shaping a billion-dollar industry. Who knew pigeons could be so profitable? So what do you think about pigeon farming and racing? Would you ever try pigeon meat? Or maybe even buy a racing pigeon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden world of pigeons, don't forget to like this video to help more people discover it. Subscribe for more incredible stories about farming, animals, and industries you never knew existed. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.